What's good, y'all? It's me, Ashley, back again with another video. We got another unboxing today. I told y'all I'm coming with the heat. I'm bringing you back to back. Unboxing again of a pair of shoes that came out this past weekend. Air Jordan 3s, all white cement with that little bit of red on the back that just makes them pop. You know, I was sitting there, I was on Nike.com where I'll usually click the notification so that they can let me know, remind me when certain things is coming out. These was coming out, I notified myself, and then I saw a couple pictures. As the pictures was dropping on these, I was like, man, I'm gonna have to grab those. So, you know, and not to disappoint, man, these shoes are phenomenal in person, just as great as they were on the website from the pictures that I saw. So I just got them in the mail this past week, ordered them. It took about 3 days to ship. Nike is usually pretty good on when it comes to the shipping. So, you know, if you never ordered off Nike.com, you worried about the shipping and all that, don't worry, Nike.com got you. Usually they come actually a little before the shipping date that they say on the website. So, you know, usually that's been my experience. So knock on wood that continues. But let's get right into it. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long.
A few moments later.
There we have it, baby. So, Air Retro Jordan 3, all white, fire red cement gray, size 12, retail $190. So this is the traditional 3 box. This is the box that normally 3s will come in. You just got your Jordan right up on the top. You got the nice little cement print right here. This is what's usually around the toe box of the shoes. Just a basic box, nothing too crazy. Let's get rid of that lid. We got the cement paper popping off. And I've only actually glanced at these just to kind of see and make sure that, you know, they were actually the right shoes. So you open up the box, of course, you got your shoes right inside there. You know what I mean? Pull those out. Let me get them out there. Bam! There they go, baby. There they go, fresh out the box, all white. Ooh, so crispy, so crispy. So check that out. Can y'all see that detail? Can y'all see that detail? Just get y'all a nice little round. So, you know, these are very much just like your traditional cement 3s. The only difference is, of course, usually they have the black on the back. This time they went ahead and put a little bit of detail in there, threw the red on there, which I personally love. I love red shoes. I'll do a video and just show y'all just my red shoe collection because I have a ton of red shoes. But these are really nice. So, you know, of course, you got the cement toe box. You got the white midsole, you got the smooth leather around the box, the rough tumbled leather up top, traditional white shoestrings. You got the thick tongue like they normally do on the 3s. So, you know, these are definitely, they're sticking true to the quality of the 3s. I've never had a problem in terms of buying a pair of 3s and feeling like they jit me on the quality. I think 3s, they've done a pretty good job of just sticking with the traditional, just, you know, hey, these are the 3s, this is how we like them, and we're gonna just rock with it. So I'm a fan of 3s. I think 3s are one of the most comfortable Jordans out there. And I think because I have wide feet, they have a really wide toe box. So for me, that works. And they just work. They're a very classic look, very clean look. I think they wear very well. Of course, you get the creasing at the top as you wear them over time, but that's to be expected. But I think for a premium sneaker like these, to me, these are very good. They hold up very well. I've had several pairs of 3s, and I've always felt like they've been some of the best shoes as they continue to get broken in. They still wear very well. They still work just like they do when you first get them. So I'm personally very happy with these. I think even going to the back, of course, they kept the traditional Jumpman with the air. They didn't do the play with the whole Nike thing on these. They kind of just kept it, you know, with the Jordan brand, which I'm cool with. And so, yeah, you know, I think that these are really nice. So I'm really happy. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. I'm gonna keep it pretty short and sweet to the point. Jordan 3.
A few moments later.
So there you have it. Air Jordan 3 Retro unboxing with the fire red on the back, the sole. Amazing shoe. I told y'all I'm coming with the heat. I'm gonna bring y'all unboxings. I'm gonna bring y'all tons of videos, tons of content. Follow me, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, tell me what you want to see. I'll holla at y'all next time. Peace.